Hello, everybody. This is Richard again. For all of you who don't know me, I'm a founding beauty guide with LimeLight by Alcone, obviously. And I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist. I've been in the skincare and beauty industry for over 25 years, owned my own successful spa in Manhattan. And I'm here to talk a little bit about skincare. I had a really great day yesterday at Jessica Jane Mancini's house. We had a regional training for our group, and it was wonderful. Krista was there, which it was great to have an ambassador there, so to share her knowledge. Michelle, our CEO, was there, which that was absolutely amazing to hear her talk and hear her passion about Limelight and where we're going to be going with this. But one of the things that was expressed by everybody is how much everybody loves my videos. And Jessica Jane Mancini, as a matter of fact, was like, please, 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 we need more of you. So I promised this week that I was going to do more videos. So here is my first one. And this one is for beauty guides that maybe not be estheticians. They're not in the beauty industry. They really don't understand skincare that well. And they want to be able to better understand what happens sometimes with client skin, what can and can't be done, and how Limelight can help. So one of the things that I've been hearing a lot in the Fempire is about clients being afraid of oil. And Must Do is a really great product. It has palmerose. It has a lot of great essential oils in it. It's really good for rejuvenating the skin, and it's really good for balancing oily skin. Oils break down oils. When a person has oily skin, a lot of times what they're prone to doing is they're prone to stripping their skin and trying to dry it out. You can do that with benzoyl peroxide. You can do that with tretinoin and acne products. You can also do that with taking alcohol on a cotton and wiping it all over your face, which it will temporarily dry it out. But what's going to happen is you're going to cause your sebaceous glands, which those are the oil glands that are within your pores, to overproduce more oil to compensate for the fact that you're drying it out. So with oily skin, you need to try to balance the skin. There has to be a level of hydration, so that way the skin is not over dry and not too much hydration that it gets overly oily. So Must Do is a really great product for that because oil breaks down oil. So the Must Do is going to help to control the oil. It's going to lessen the secretion of the oils from your oil glands, the sebaceous glands in the skin, and it's going to help people to have a healthier, more nicer glow to their skin as well. So that's just one of the topics that I wanted to discuss today. Another one is clients using a skincare regime like Dream Clean for 6 weeks, and it's working really great for them. Their skin is getting clearer, but now that they're noticing dry patches. I've noticed some posts about this in the Fempire recently, and I just wanted to touch on that. Sometimes it's really good for a customer to have both the Quench Cleanse collection and the Dream Clean collection. That way, you're balancing your skin, you're not drying it out too much, and you can alternate either using your Quench in the morning and your Dream Clean at night, which is how I like to do it. I find that it's good to be hydrated during the day, especially for someone that has dry patches, and using Skin Therapist during the day. And then at night, using the Dream Clean, which has the aloe and the soapberry. And since soapberry is a natural antibacterial, it's really good for fighting any bacteria at night while you sleep, because a lot of times we tend to push a lot of bacteria and things back into our face when we put our head in the pillow. Unless you're a person that changes your pillow a couple of times a week and washes their pillowcases, a lot of times dirt and oils that have been in your pillow from the night before will get back into the skin again. So at night, you can use your Dream Clean and you can use your Calm Balm. And then during the day, you can use your Quench Cleanse and your skin therapist. And that will help to balance out the skin and relieve some of the dry, patchy areas that some people may say that they're experiencing on their face. Now, you may get a client that says, well, I really can't afford both the Dream Clean collection and the Quench Cleanse collection. Then what you can do is you can have them use one from each. They can use the Dream Clean so that it helps to disinfect their skin, kill the bacteria, and keep it acne free, and use the Skin Therapist, which is a little bit of a heavier moisturizer, to combat the dryness that they're experiencing on their face. Or using the Quench Cleanse and then using the Calm Balm. So that's another option that I recommend to some clients when they're looking for something that's going to help, but without that much money to spend. So that was one of the other topics. And then rosacea. I've been noticing a lot of the beauty guides posting about rosacea. Rosacea is an auto-inflammatory disorder, meaning that it's something that is in your body. It's always there. Sometimes it flares up. Sometimes it looks better, but it's something that cannot be cured. Um, you can do things to help to lessen it. There are topical prescriptions that people can use. There are other types of products that people will try to buy over the counter to do. People can do IPL photofacial treatments, which use a light that targets the blood vessels and the redness in the skin to reduce them. Those are something that will take multiple sessions, but it won't get rid of 100% of the rosacea. And then there's One Drop Wonder. One Drop Wonder is a great product. Rosacea is usually red and pink in the skin. Sometimes redness and the pink will have dilated blood vessels, small tiny vessels that look like little spider veins on the skin. They usually happen sometimes on the tip of the nose, sometimes in the cheeks, and on the chin area. IPL laser treatments are great for that, but One Drop Wonder, Palmifera oil, is really, really good because one, it will help to hydrate the skin. It's very rich in omega-6, which is really good for reversing the signs of aging and help to flush some of those dilated capillaries and the redness in the skin. I have redness in my skin. I've shown before and after pictures of my skin. I use the One Drop Wonder, and it's been amazing how much of a reduction, I would probably say about 60 to 70% in my skin since I've been using it. So it's a really wonderful product. You want to be careful with exfoliating. Remember, you have redness in the skin, you have broken blood vessels. I mean, most rosacea clients or customers will experience flushing when they drink red wine, when they eat spicy foods, when they go from hot to cold. So you don't want to exacerbate that, and you don't want to um, aggravate those blood vessels by scrubbing the face with anything too harsh. Our skin polish is amazing. Yes, it's jojoba beads. Yes, they're round and they don't scratch the skin, but I would still be very careful if a client is using those on the face. I'm sorry, I always say client because when people come to me for a service, they're a client, but when people buy a product from me, they're a customer. So if I'm confusing you, I apologize for that. But you never want to be harsh on the skin. So even with using skin polish, very lightly exfoliate on the areas where there's the redness for just a few seconds, and then mostly let it sit like a mask to get the benefits of the lemon peel and everything else that's in the mask. So that's a little bit about rosacea. Another topic has been keratosis pilaris. A lot of people say they have customers that have these little bumps on the arm in this area. It's also common in the thighs, and it's also common on the buttocks. Sort of like ingrown hairs that are creating little bumps. They look like acne, and they sometimes appear red. They'll sometimes appear very dry. Sometimes people that have them, especially over here, the skin around the area will be darker. There's topical creams, there's prescriptions, there's products that contain urea that people have used for it. There's really not a lot that's going to really get rid of it 100%. It's something that's always going to be there, but you can try to lessen it by exfoliating with the Bamboo Renew and then following with the 40 Cure Cream. The Bamboo Renew is a really great exfoliant. It's a very fine grain. It has crushed walnut powder and bamboo, which is really great for exfoliating the skin. It has lemongrass, and lemongrass has a lot of really good antibacterial and skin properties to it. So exfoliating with that a few times a week, and then every day using the 40 Cure Cream, which is a very healing and soothing cream, can help to reduce and lessen the appearance, but it's not going to make it go away. There are prescriptions, there are topicals that people can do. People can do microdermabrasion. In my 25 years, we've tried all of these things. I've had clients go to doctors for these, and nothing will get rid of it forever. But if you do have a client that does have that, the 40 Cure and the Bamboo Renew is really great. So thank you for your time. I hope that you learned a little bit from this. Please feel free to share it with any of your other beauty guides. And I look forward to making more videos for you. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.